If you want us, come to Sundowns.
I choose him, man, I choose him, man. I choose my skate. I choose him, man, I choose him, man. I choose my skate. I choose him, man, I choose him, man.
Clamini, it's a lovely ball!
I choose him, man, I choose him, man. I choose my skate.
Pirates lead 3-1, and suddenly the offside flag is straight down a few times. And Mabasa is starting.
I kissy baka senna, Sausala lima wati baruna. Kissy baka senna, Sausala lima wati bari. I choose man, I choose man. I choose musket.
Oh, it was an attempted save, it hasn't been made though.
I choose musket.
It was a hat-trick of enormous proportions.
It's entertaining. Who waits, allows the ball to drop too much, allows Mabasa to just cut in front of him.
Hold on to the ball here. Congo goes back all the way back to Mafumbi. And quite a night in Akabeja. Won't find an easy goal. And for a man who's in good goal-scoring nick for the club, he'll love the fact that that form has now moved over to.
That was against Arrows who themselves over that period were doing very poorly. Then they've done a great job as Munyane charges forward here. Oh, and he has found Mabasa, who has found the back of the nets as he always does from that kind of range. Well, the top marksman is eyeing that golden boot. Time away from Orlando Pirates has made him even hungrier to become a new Buccaneers hero. And they lead against Chipper United as they did over the weekend in the Cup.
And it works again here, coming from the left-hand side, creating that space on the right hand. Maswangani it is. And this time, with a brilliant first touch, Munyane, on the third attempt, he chooses the right option. And that was to get it across the box. And who popped up? The patient man.
Well, it was a team goal. The build-up was phenomenal. And when you see the slow-mo, you'll see the composure showed. Look here, the ball goes wide. Gets cut back. He has a touch. He looks up. And yes, you could argue that the defenders didn't close him down, but you've got to give him credit. Showing that composure on the penalty spot there, picking his spot. And look at the finish. In the corner, great chip there, fantastic goal.
No chance for the keeper there. Look at that, almost comes off the upright there. And that is goal number 4.
Stellenbosch gaan we dueli. Rita toka kwa bwana kape. Salaba keteka poyan chumatabe. Esimnya masaga makapula. Abongile Tom, we kwadile. We kwadile abongile Tom. Kabakita va itumela tato sa di puo. Ora ga motsa mai ketilenga. Otera ga nyula le tsaphala. Ba ikhoma ka gangwe. Ba itlosa. Honi le botlhale re le boile mo fokenga. Ai khoma ka gangwe. A bona Tshegofaso Mabasa. A tsa khile Tshego.
I bought go to the second corner. I bought money to Wenga. I bought no gory. 2 Orlando Pirates. 1 Stellenbosch. Banile Boroko, the Stellis, but about to go cigarette up Philippi. Cassingway the same way. Fellow Orlando Pirates, but some people Banile Butale, Patria Capunako. Thomas Wanga, you know the page. Pirates! 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 Kibita Gararo. Kenoya Boraro. Kenoya Buritela. Makokota se pekeresa fellow. Monica Singer, let's go past the rich boys of Natal. Sile, Moselatedi, Kilisilo, Mene Tekelo Parasini, Mukolo Monebote, Hofadili. Tshegofaso Mabasa, Tito Maswanganye, Kabelo Tlameni, Bana Botle, Babadirisa Loto la Molema, Bai Khoma Gararu, Tito Maswanganye, Kabelo Tlameni, Tshegofaso Mabasa, Inawa Boraru, Seu, Sidirano, Zetaru, Orlando Pirates. 1, 2, 3 Orlando Pirates, 1 Richards Bay, Hofedili.
Cover provided.
Wow, what a setup for Williams.
Absolutely brilliant. Now, can they make something of it? There's a lot of defenders back here. Oh, space for the shot. It's gone in off the post. Finally, the deadlock is broken in favour of Mamelodi Sundowns. The player that scores it almost looks like Iqram Rayners.
It is. Just like he scored away in FA Rabat in the second half. Once again now, listen to this. The coach must have emphasized this, that the wide areas are the one place that we can cut them down. But even better this time was the cutback to find Rayners. And the finish was exquisite. I mean, there was just so many number of players in front of him, and yet, look how he sets himself up here in anticipation of that ball being cut back to him.
But look at the work done by Letlaku.
That's the thing. Open them up a bit. Definitely that will stretch them. Goalkeeper probably unsighted initially. Well taken goal. It's full stretch and he doesn't get there.
Matches. Mofokeng, good running from Mabasa, gets ahead of Godinho, scores! Number 12 for Tshegofaso, Mabasa.
There's a lot that went right about our ball. The other side from where the run was happening, Godinho expected. That's a great run. It's a very clever run.
Time to play. Masego plays in Morena, the cutback. Can Rayners finish it off this time? Beauty. Beauty. There's a lot of ball watching and admiration from the defenders of Sekhukhune there. He just picked his spot and they do get a third. And now that is surely game, set and match. Let's wrap it up for you then. It is maximum points and for the champions. They go back top of the...
For his miss against Arrows. He slots it away with a plum against one of the best stuffers on the continent. He had to hold his nerve and did.
Bachagoro trying to make the call as Mabasa steps up.
Morena leaving it for Mokoena. Lovely curling. And Mamelodi Sundowns. Remaining fourth.
10 men. Look at that delivery. It makes it easier for Rayners to be able just to change direction of the ball.
What an incredible run he is on.
Yeah.
Iqram Rayners has scored in the Carling knockout final, missed the match against Maniema Union, and scored again in the 3-0 win against Kukuni United.